Where's the baby horse? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? My baby! Can you give him hugs? Yeah. Do you like your horse?
Yeah.
Giddy up. Are you going to pet him nice? Pet. You going to pet that one? Pet him. You going to pet him? You going to pet your horsey? You going to pet the baby?
No.
No. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Heather. Can you say thank you, Heather?
Thank you, Heather.
Very good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.